Hi. All right, so about a year ago, I got this pet fountain and for my cat to drink from. And I made a little video of like unboxing it and putting it together, and it was really easy, but I thought it might be even easier a second time around, and then it could be a shorter video. So these are all the pieces. There's the little flower, which goes on top and the water comes out of. There's the little filter. I know that the filter needs to sit in water for like 5 minutes or something. So actually, get a little water dish. All right, the cat's keeping you company. And I've just got that filter sitting in there. All right, so then there's like the empty box. Everything comes in this box, which is like obviously like the shell to the fountain. Okay. There's this little bubbler thing. It also contains the little light that makes the thing glow. It comes not attached to the box. My first instinct is to plug it in right away, like to the box at least. But you don't want to do that because there's a little square in there and it sticks to the bottom like that. But then you take this and you stick it through so it's not like coming off the top of the fountain. And it wouldn't fit if it was already attached to the box. So don't waste time doing that. Learn from me, who already did that. That's how I know. All right, so that sticks out. There's like a space to put the cord through. It's obvious what it is. It's the only place where it really could do that. And then there's a little thing here. For what? Does this just sit in there? All right, now it's time to read the directions. Let's see. Take out the filter unit, soak it in clean water, rinse it slightly with water. Install the lid and flower. It already shows that. Man, it might have been better to not look at the directions. Okay, wait, yes. Actually, that was good. Okay. Here, behind like the black foam part, is a little circular like crevice to push the tiny light into. So, the light is set up. What's the next thing? The pump is in. Next, install the filter. Okay. Rinse it off, it says. So I'm rinsing it. Where does that go? Oh, okay. That piece comes out. And the filter goes right in there. Then that goes back. That goes right in. It just sits on it. Let's see. All right, now I can plug this USB into the little box that came with it. Gotta put water in here. Does the flower? Okay. All right, fill it up. It's kind of hard to see right now where to fill it to, but I don't want to like burn it out by plugging it in before it's full of water. But usually the water illuminates it and it's really easy to tell where you should fill it to. I usually fill it like about 2/3, maybe a teensy bit less than 2/3. Ta-da! Perfect. And Pablo loves it, and he's been lurking this whole time that I've been making it. But he'll be happy to see it. He really gets put out if he has water any other way. He got mad seeing me throw away the old broken one. But of course he acts disinterested now because now he's a grown man cat. All right, so that's it. I recommend it highly. And so does Pablo.